Hello, my fellow South Africans. I hope you are all doing well. Today I will show you how to open up a PayPal account and how to link it to FNB, as that will be the only way for you to withdraw the funds you earn through PayPal. For this video I will be entering in fake information for demonstrative purposes, as I have already created a PayPal account. Please use your real information when filling out the form for sign up. Firstly, go to the PayPal website. The link is in the description or just Google it. Click on the sign up button. Select personal account or business account and then press continue. I will be going with the personal account for this video. Then when prompted, enter in your primary email address, your first name, surname, and a secure password. Then click next. You will then be asked to fill in more of your personal information, such as nationality, ID number, address, city, date of birth, postal code, and your cell number. Once you have filled those in, click on the block that says I confirm that I have read. If you want, you may first read through the user agreement and privacy statement before clicking on the block. Then click agree and continue. Once you are in your PayPal account, make sure to confirm your mobile phone number and your email address. In a new tab, go to the FNB website. Link will be in the description or just Google it. Click on register at the top. Then select register for PayPal for non-FNB customers, unless you are already an FNB customer. Then select either for me or for my business. Then select I do not bank with FNB. Now you are presented with this form. You will have to fill out all of your personal information correctly. Once you are done filling in all of your information, click submit. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay in the loop for new videos I will be releasing.